In this video, I'll show you how to contact the Bitget Help Center and reach support fast. First, open the Bitget app and make sure you're logged in. Tap your profile icon in the top corner to open the account menu. From here, look for Help Center, Support, or Customer Service, and tap it. Inside the Help Center, you'll usually see a search bar. If your issue is common, like deposits, withdrawals, or verification, type a keyword first. Often, you'll get an instant answer without needing to message support. If you still need help, look for live chat or online support. Tap it, choose a topic, and explain the problem clearly. Include helpful details like the coin name, network, order ID, TXID, and screenshots if needed. If live chat isn't available, use Submit a Ticket or email support from the same page. After you send it, you can track replies in your support history or notifications. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.